Happy Valentine's Day! This month we have a really great recipe for you.
Inspired by the classic Valentine's Day treat, candy hearts.
Let's check it out.
To make this recipe, you'll want to grab your monthly essential oil recipe box, find your recipe card and labels, and for this blend, we are going to be using the oils of lavender, palmarosa, and Peru balsam.
And from your big bonus box, you're going to want to grab one of your 5 milliliter diffuser bottles.
You can use this to make a master blend of this recipe, where you make a pre-made blend, so all you have to do is add a couple drops of this to your diffuser. So we're gonna grab our diffuser. We've already filled it to the line with water, and now all we need to do is add our essential oils.
So you'll add 2 drops of each of the oil into the diffuser. And Peru balsam is a thicker oil, so it may take a little bit of time to come out.
You'll also notice that it's resinous, so it sinks. You'll want to rinse out your diffuser after using this oil. And then we'll put both the lids back onto our diffuser and turn it on, and then
Smells just like candy hearts.
it's like the diffuser is asking, will you be mine? Try the blend, and if you love it, grab one of your 5 milliliter bottles to fill it up.
You can fill this bottle up with 33 drops of each of those oils that are in this blend. And there's a label too.
That way you can gift this blend to a friend or have it on hand whenever you want to make it.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
Each month we'll send you a recipe box with 4 essential oils plus 6 recipes and extra ingredients to make them. And each of our boxes contains a diffuser blend. So if you love making diffuser blends, you are going to have so much fun with this recipe box.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. This month we have an amazing recipe for you. Oh my God.
Recipe.